In this demonstration, I'm going to walk you through one of our ThingWorx applications, Connected Work Cell, available as part of our Factory Insights as a Service SaaS offering, or as an on-premise deployment. For the demo, I'm going to be playing the role of an operator on the shop floor of an automotive part production plant who is responsible for a specific step in our engine assembly. In the demo, I'll show how the Connected Work Cell application combines information from a wide variety of sources like tools, machines, and systems like MES, ERP, or PLM into a single intuitive interface with all of the step-by-step instructions needed for my engine assembly task. I start by logging into the system, selecting the Connected Work Cell tile, and entering the execution dashboard. I'm then presented with the work orders for the day based on the priority. Let me start this one here. Because the work order contains the work instructions for the particular configuration of engine I need to assemble, the system automatically presents me with the correct instructions I need, complete with control characteristics and communication protocols that will work with the tools I have at this station where I'm performing my assembly tasks. It presents the step-by-step instructions to guide me through my assembly tasks on this execution dashboard that's designed specifically for operators. So let's look at the parts of this screen and see how they help me as an operator. The bar across the top collects all the information about the work order, so I understand how the part I'm working on fits within the flow throughout the factory. The work order number, part name, serial number, as well as when it is expected to be completed. The next layer provides me the flow of the assembly tasks I'm responsible for, showing me where I am currently in my overall process. Below that, we see the details for the specific step I'm working. When I finish a step or full operation, I get a visual cue where I am in the process, in case I need to pause operations or there's a shift change in the middle of an assembly flow. The steps I've completed have changed to green. These detailed instructions are designed by the process engineer and can include text instructions, pictures, or videos. The right-hand side is reserved for operator actions. This area can be configured based on your manufacturing processes to allow operators to pause the clock, to bypass a step, to record a note for maintenance or continuous improvement efforts, or this area could simply be an area where the operator is getting continuous feedback on their productivity compared to expected performance against KPIs. Let's continue through the work instruction steps. If a problem occurs during my assembly operations, I can easily reach out for assistance without even leaving my work cell using the Raise Hand button. This will send an email notification to the configured supervisor for this work cell. This next step requires me to use a torque tool to fasten a bolt to between 3 and 4 nanometers. I want to draw your attention to a couple of items in the operator interaction area that look different. On the top right of the action bar, you might have noticed a small green icon. Smart Tool steps can require user certificates to ensure that the operator has the required training with the tool. The green icon indicates that I do have the right certificate required for this tool. The second thing that is different is the capture area for the tool information. That is because this step involves a connected tool. In this case, the work instructions had control characteristics that specified that the torque tool at this station should be used to tighten the bolt between 3 and 4 nanometers. It automatically sent these specifications to the tool, and now it will verify these results when I use this tool on this step. When the operator starts a work instruction step that requires the use of a smart tool, like this torque tool, he is presented with the limit ranges and a field with the same smart tool value. This value could be a required torque value, like in this case, or any other measurable value that a connected tool provides. When the value is in the defined limit ranges, the box will turn green and the operator can complete the step. This bidirectional communication allows the system to do the work of ensuring accurate instructions are used, validated, and recorded, and lets me, as the operator, stay productive and focused on the assembly tasks. Once I'm done with my work and the last step is completed, the system will log the work order as complete, along with all the acquired data, like the torque value, time to complete the work order, and each step in the database. The system redirects me back to the list with the scheduled work orders, so I'm ready to tackle the next job. you can see how much easier it was for me to get my job done with all the right information readily available. Utilizing the Connected Work Cell application, PTC customers have noted significant performance improvements in worker productivity, training time, scrap, and safety.